Okay, what you're looking at is actually you're looking underneath the dash, or the bottom side of the dash of my 2007 Silverado Classic. And what I need to change is the blend door actuator for the for my air conditioner unit. Uh, what's going on is it'll blow cold air on one side and hot air on the other side, and it's done it before, so I've changed it out before and it's gone out again. It's just, it's not hard to do, it's just knowing where it's at, and getting the right tools just to get in there, because it's actually behind this unit, and actually it sits right around in this area up here, right up in this area. But what needs to be removed is this, and there's two screws that need to come off. There's one, I'll show you here in a minute from the bottom side, but there's one that goes here, and there's another one. There's a little pocket in here, and it's right where the hump of the cab is, where the transmission, it goes over the transmission. But either way, the other screw is right in here. They're 9/32. Let me see if I can get you a good view of that screw that's in there, but it's kind of hard to see. See if I can get a better. Yeah, you see it. It's right in there. Okay, and then the other one is. See if I can find the other one for you. Yeah, it's right there. All right, those are 9/32s. Those have to come out in order for this to drop. Then we can get to it. All right, so let me get set up, and I'll get you back on here. All right. Here's the part number for that blend door. It's a Murray. It's a DA 1046. I picked this up at O'Reilly's. They're pretty pricey. They're about 80 something dollars. I'm sure you can get them cheaper online, but O'Reilly's had it. It needs to be done. So what does it look like? Basically, that's what it is right here. All right, that's what we're replacing. There's one extra screw besides the ones that I showed you here and here. If you follow the bottom side of this housing here, it's going to be right there. Basically right there. Hopefully you guys can see that, but that one needs to come off as well. Again, they're 9/32s. They're 9/32 hex screws, so we need to take those three off so we can drop that panel. Okay. That's the easy one. Let's see if I can get to it. This other one's a little tougher, but it's doable. Let's see. Once I get that. Yeah, there it is. Just a matter of getting that. is right there. That's what they are. All right, so let me get that last one way over there. Okay, that should allow me to drop this. Let's hope I'm right. I don't know. Unless I have another one to remove here. Oh, I do have another one right here. Okay, so let's take a look. All the way to this corner right here. I believe there's, yeah, it's hard to see. There it is right there. Alright, so how many screws are holding it in place? For Alberto's purposes, it's 4 in total. Okay, so now, here we go. Yeah. That's what we're looking for right here. There's the blend door right here. Actuator, blend door actuator. Okay, so we need to remove this, and then there's 2 screws. This one here, there's one on the other side. Let me see. I can show it to you. And it's kind of hard to see, but there it is right there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. And there's that one right there. Those are a lot smaller than 932s. Okay. Okay, so yeah, what they are is they're the size of that. Those screws are 732, so they're itty bitty. They're teeny, so you're gonna need a long socket and a short one for the back side because it's so close to the hump here. But a little baby ratchet like this snap-on here really helps. Versus, I mean, this is a 1/4 inch ratchet, but the small head really helps versus a larger head. This is a 1/4 inch ratchet as well from Craftsman, but look at the size of the head versus the little snap-on. So it really makes a difference when you're trying to get into tighter spots, getting these little baby ratchets. They're more pricey, but fantastic to have. Anyway, so we take I believe this. In order to get this piece off, press on this lever right here. Press on that lever down and it opens it up on this side and unlocks it. And you should be able to pull it out. Alright, so let's get that blend door off of there. I'm trying my best to give you the best view possible, but it makes it quite hard. But here's the other one. See how easy that head fits on there? Alright, there's the second one. It should. It should just come straight down. Let me see. It should just come straight down, I hope. Unless there's a third one in there. Let me see. There might be a third screw that I don't remember. No, there's not. Okay, just took a little bit more force to pull it down, but there it is. All right, so what I'm going to do is, you notice how I haven't moved anything, but you notice how this piece is clocked right here. Let me see if I can get you a better view of that. There you go. There you go. See how it's clocked? So let's see where the new one's at. Oh, let me see here. Yeah, see how it's clocked going this way. It's never going to go in if I don't clock it right. Well, I don't know. Let me see here. I don't know if I can turn that by hand. I don't know if I can turn that by hand, but let me see if I can first. Whatever you do, don't do what Alberto was going to do, and that's to rotate it by hand. I tried to rotate it I didn't stick anything in there. Here, let me position it. I didn't stick anything in there. I was trying to rotate it like this by hand, but it was stiff, so I didn't want to mess with it because there's a little motor in here. So what I did was I just plugged it in. Plugged this in, turned the key on, and it aligned itself. So now they're clocked. Now they're clocked identical. So now I should be able to just, in theory, I should just be able to just pop it in there and we're good to go. So again, no, I did not rotate this by hand. I just plugged it in, turned on the key, and it rotated itself into position. All right, so let me stick it in there. What am I trying to line it up with? I'm trying to line it up with this shaft right there. Right there. And then there's a pin on this side right here that keeps it in place. And that's basically it. I just need to put my screws in there. Sorry about my camera skills there. They're not very good, but trying to do this at the same time. is a skill I haven't developed. Alright, that's as far as I'm going to go right there so I can start the other one. So I'm going to need to put you down so I can use the other hand for the other side. And since I'm already here, I'm gonna tighten that one up. Plug it back in, and we should be good to go. All right. Start it on, see if it works. I know you can't feel that, but I have cold air blowing out from both sides, left and right now. So that's what it was. All right, turn this off. Okay, all I got to do now is just put it back together in reverse. There's 4 screws that go back on that holds the housing. But I think I'm going to go ahead and finish this video at this point, because there's no need to show you the reinstallment of it. It's no different than the removal. So it's just those 4 screws, put it back in, and it's closed. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps. Hope this helps you if you ever need to remove that that blend door actuator. Thank you for watching.